Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install 42-inch LED bar on our roof rack. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so for this one, I contact Lasfit regarding this light bar. So I told them that I'm getting a new roof rack for my 4Runner and they said yes. So they sent me the 42-inch, or I requested the 42-inch LED light bar. This is a combo light bar which has a spot and flood lens optics on them. So come on, let's check this one out. Let's open the box. All right, so this is the box that it came with. I'm hoping that it is double box. I guess it is double box, so let's check it out. Okay, so let's quickly open this one up. I don't know where I put my box cutter. That's fine. Oh, okay. So it has a box inside. So it is double box. So here you go. So here's the box. Nice box though. Okay, so 3 tabs. More tabs in here. Oh, okay. How do you open this? Oh, there you go. What the? Oh, okay. So there's the light bar. Let's put that. So it has a user manual. We have the light bar, which is properly protected, I may say. Nice. I hope they use denser foam material in here, but it is dense enough, I guess. Yeah, all right. So it has a DT connector in here, which is good, always good, because I have a lot of DT connector and I can easily make one if I need to. Also, what's this? Oh, stickers. You got the side brackets. If you're gonna be using the side brackets, yeah, these are gonna be helpful. I'm not gonna be using this. I'll be using some custom brackets made for my roof rack and some bottom brackets. Yep, so bottom brackets. So I may need some of this, but possibly to attach it to the brackets that I have. So but that's what's in the box are the bottom brackets and the side brackets, and basically that's it. So this is the model number and the specs are here listed. So it says here beam pattern is combo, so it's a spot and flood. So input voltage is 9 to 36 volts DC. 120 watts is the input power, and then the lumens is, I think they're talking about output power here, which is 120 watts, and then lumens is 11,290 lumens. So color temperature is 6000 K, and basically is weatherproof, IP67, off-road use only. So yep. So Lasfit, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. All right, and you can use my discount code that is listed there. All right, let's remove the foam material in here. All right. And this is a slim type, which is nice. A single row LED bar. Yes. So as you can see there, so this is combo. So it has the flood in here. Then these are the spot, and then has the flood again, and then spot, flood, spot, flood, spot, and then flood. So it is combo. So unlike other design though, some other models, they have like the combo just in the middle, then spot on the side. So with this one, has a nice heat sink, single row, slim profile. You cannot really ask too much for the heat sink design, but this should be enough when you are driving or using it. And it has this Lasfit a branding on each side, so that's nice. So I will position this on my rack like this. All right, so let's check the manual in here if it says anything different. So it just says basically what's included in the box. Yeah, so we have the 42-inch, just this one. Nice. Yeah, so has this superior brightness for off-road. So has some high transmittance PC lens, beginner friendly installation, which says plug and play with that DT connector in there. So adjustable mounting bracket to 360, dual option for side and back mounting bracket. That's nice. So yeah, so with the back mounting, I kind of noticed this channel in here. This is where you put the bracket. So it has the slot here to put the channel nut and slide it, and you can mount it basically somewhere at the back. So but we'll be utilizing this side brackets for sure. Again, the lens is nice, the slim profile, I really dig it. It really mixed into my roof rack, the slim design of my roof rack. So again, they sent us the harness also, which you can get on their website if you need the harness or not. So there's two options in there. If you want just a solo LED bar, you can do that. Or if you want to bundle it up with the harness. So with the harness, I'm gonna need the harness though just to run it. Then I'm gonna cut it to where it goes basically to my switch panel. So I'll cut it in there. So I'll make a custom one basically. Not really a custom one, but I'll just cut it and again, just put it on the switch panel. Should stop repeating myself. But yeah, so again, this one, let's quickly install this. Let's go. All right, so with the wiring, so I just fish it through here, going at the back in here, and it runs on this channel in here, going up there. So I used a cable or wire hider from KC Highlight, so I just cut that one out, and then it's gonna be here on the top. So it looks like, yeah, I have a lot of excess in here, but that's fine. I can just cable tie that one out somewhere in the roof. So that's perfectly fine. We can easily hide that. But yeah, so this is how we put this one, or the cable, route the cable. All right, very easy. So now we're gonna put our brackets. All right, so for the bracket, we will use this steady bracket. These are from Australia, so these are made to fit the Rhino rack. So these are the same one that I used on my previous roof rack on the RAV4, which I ended up selling. So yeah, so we're gonna use this. The only difference on this particular application is we will use the support bracket that they have, because we'll be using a longer light bar, and this will bolt on the side, and then this will bolt on the bottom part of the roof rack. So come on, let's put this on. All right, so we're going to install it now. So I successfully installed the bracket first. Now we're putting in the actual light bar. So excited to install this. Yep, all right. So if you want to put the towel in your roof, you can do so just to avoid any scratches. And then align it. All right. So what we're gonna do is just put this on. So what I did also earlier is I aligned the brackets with the light bar and then remove the light bar again and tighten everything and install the bottom support here at the bottom. You can't really see it, so just hand tight this one out, then we're gonna go on the other side. All right, be right back. All right, now we can tighten this one out. If you can see here, my cable, so excess cable, basically I'm just gonna let it sit here and then put a cable tie so that it's kind of hidden and it's gonna be plugged in to the actual cable that I route in there. All right, so let's proceed. Okay, so let's work on the other side, fully tighten that, and then from there basically we can adjust it, adjust the height or the aim, and then we're gonna test it out on the road. Come on, let's go. All right, so even it's bright, let's test it out just to check the aim on this. Now let's turn it on. All right, so this is like my point of view, eye level, and yeah, so it is actually bouncing off a little bit on the hood scoop, but we'll see tonight how is this gonna affect if it's basically has some glare. So but again, a little adjustment. I think if I adjust it a little bit more, pointing up, I'm just like looking for some birds. But I think this is good aim already, but we'll check later tonight. All right. All right, so the slides are so nice. So I like the combo pattern. As you can see here, they're so bright. So yeah, so the reach, so good. So look at that one compare to this. Awesome, right? So yeah. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.